Many of you hear about the word collagen. But what is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's not only responsible for keeping your bones and joints healthy, but it also helps you build muscle mass, and improves the appearance of your skin, accounting for about 1/3 of its protein composition. It's one of the major building blocks of bones, skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen is also found in many other body parts, including blood vessels, corneas, and teeth. As of 2011, 28 types of collagen have been identified, but there are 4 main types of collagen and their roles in your body. Type I. This type accounts for 90% of your body's collagen and is made of densely packed fibers. It provides structure to skin, bones, tendons, fibrous cartilage, connective tissue, and teeth. Type 2. This type is made of more loosely packed fibers and found in elastic cartilage, which cushions your joints. Type 3. This type supports the structure of muscles, organs, and arteries. Type 4. This type helps with filtration and is found in the layers of your skin. As you age, your body produces less and lower quality collagen. One of the visible signs of this is in your skin, which becomes less firm and supple. Cartilage also weakens with age. All collagen starts off as procollagen because your body makes procollagen by combining 2 amino acids, glycine and proline. And this process uses vitamin C. Also, you may be able to help your body produce this important protein by making sure you get plenty of the following nutrients, like vitamin C that is found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. Or proline, where large amounts are found in egg whites, wheat germ, dairy products, cabbage, asparagus, and mushrooms. Also, glycine, where large amounts are found in pork skin, chicken skin, and gelatin, but glycine is also found in various protein-containing foods. Copper, that is found in organ meats, sesame seeds, cocoa powder, cashews, and lentils. Perhaps, some food can damage the collagen in your body. It's even more important to avoid the following collagen-destroying behaviors. Eating too much sugar and refined carbs. Sugar interferes with collagen's ability to repair itself. Minimize your consumption of added sugar and refined carbs. Ultraviolet radiation or getting too much sunshine can reduce collagen production. Avoid excessive sun exposure. Also, smoking reduces collagen production. This can impair wound healing and lead to wrinkles. Some of the natural food sources for collagen are found in the connective tissues of animal foods. For example, it's found in large amounts in chicken and pork skin. One particularly rich source is bone broth, which is made by boiling the bones of chicken and other animals. However, there's debate over whether consuming collagen-rich foods actually increases the levels of this protein in your body. When you eat protein, it's broken down into amino acids and then reassembled, so the collagen you eat wouldn't translate directly into higher levels in your body. There is 2 types of collagen supplements, that is gaining popularity: hydrolyzed collagen, collagen hydrolysate, and gelatin. Where hydrolyzed collagen fills your body, it's largely found in your connective tissues, bones, and skin. It accounts for 1/3 of your body's total protein and 3/4 of your skin's dry weight. Hydrolysis, or the process by which collagen becomes hydrolyzed collagen, is a chemical process that breaks proteins down into their smaller parts, the amino acids or peptides. Therefore, in the supplement world, it's not uncommon to see the label hydrolyzed collagen used interchangeably with collagen peptides. Both refer to the more easily dissolvable form of collagen protein. Collagen is a very important skin health supplement because it helps us to improve the appearance or its effects on the skin, accounting for about 1/3 of its protein composition. And it makes up to 75% of your skin's dry weight, naturally, and as we age, collagen in our skin degrades. It's estimated our bodies produce 1% less collagen in the skin every year beginning at age 20. This degradation and decreased collagen production are a major contributor to wrinkles, decreased skin elasticity, and thin skin associated with old age, and we use it in topical treatments to improve the appearance of skin. Another relatively large body of research connected supplementing with hydrolyzed collagen to overall joint health in athletes. Researchers found athletes using hydrolyzed collagen had notably less pain than those taking a placebo. Also, a 2019 study in recreationally active men showed that a combination of collagen peptide supplements and strength training increased muscle mass and strength more than a placebo. Also, women who took a supplement showed improvements in skin appearance and elasticity in a 2019 study. Collagen is naturally found in your blood vessels and smooth muscle cells, so it stands to reason it may play a role in cardiovascular health. Collagen is abundant in your skin and contains crucial amino acids in the development of healthy hair. However, there is no sound scientific evidence that supplementing with collagen can have a direct impact on human hair health, but some researchers support collagen in nail health because collagen peptide supplementation increased nail growth, improved brittle nails, and decreased nail breakage after 24 weeks of supplementation. As a good source of protein, collagen could hypothetically replace other, less filling and higher calorie foods while aiding in muscle building and fat loss, but scientific evidence that definitively connects collagen to weight loss is lacking. Gelatin is a protein derived from collagen, a material found in the bones, cartilage, and skin of animals that is essential for healthy joints. Most often known for its use in desserts, gelatin is also a common ingredient in broths, soups, sauces, candies, and some medications. Gelatin is produced by processing animal parts to extract the collagen and turn it into gelatin. This flavorless, translucent substance has a jelly-like texture. Both collagen and gelatin have similar proteins, promoting skin, joint, hair, nail, and gut health, providing similar health benefits. It also provides essential amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, which can provide potent health benefits. The protein and amino acids in gelatin can help the body build more collagen, a vital element in healthy skin. Also, the proteins in gelatin can help support the intestinal wall, including building the protective mucus lining in your intestines. The amino acid glycine that's found in gelatin may help manage blood sugar levels in those with type 2 diabetes. In addition to improving the elasticity of the skin, gelatin can also strengthen connective tissues. It also contains lysine, which helps strengthen the bones, improving the body's ability to absorb calcium, which can help prevent bone loss. Collagen is an important protein that provides the structure for many parts of the body. Its applications are widely used in different fields of dietetics in the industry of manufacture of cereal bars, energy drinks, dietary supplements, cosmetics, pet food, etc. It can often in combination with vitamins and minerals to enhance nutrition. A product that we can find available for different likes, colors, flavors, or uses, depending on the use we want to do, something we can talk later in another video. Do not forget to subscribe, ring the bell and share.